In this video, I'm going to explain how we come up with the 4-variable K-map. So if you assume you have variables A, B, C, and D, this is your truth table over here on the right-hand side. So we cover all of our combinations from 0 down to 15, and here is the decimal numbering that corresponds with the binary number. The min term at each of these. So notice wherever you have a 0, you'll have the complement of the variable. So you have the complement of A, B, C, D, for example, in this first one. So when you create the map, you'll have 16 cells corresponding with 16 entries on your truth table. A and B are represented by the rows going across. C and D are represented by the columns. And here are the possible values for A and B. So you have a 0, 0, a 0, 1. Now we go to 1, 1. Remember, you only want to change one variable's value per row. So here, B stays the same, A changes, and it creates that A plus A complement situation. And then in the final row, again, you just change one of your variables. So now you have the 1, 0. So that explains the skip, if you will, in the numbering. Same thing going across. So C and D's values 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and then 1, 0. So our numbering comes from the intersection of columns and rows. So you have 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, etc. And then we number them by the corresponding decimal value for that min term. So here we have 0, 1. Again, we have to skip. So 2, then 3. 4, 5, 6, then 7. And then here you skip this way as well. So this is min term 8. And if you look at the intersection, right, you have 1, 0, 0, 0. And if you look at 1, 0, 0, 0, that's min term 8. So you skip 8, 9, 10, then 11, 12, 13, 14 here, 15. I changed the formatting for readability, but the next step would be to then label the rows where A is true, where B is true. So you can see this is B. The columns where C is true and where D is true. Sorry, C and then D. So where A is true is in the bottom 2 rows. A is the first variable here. So label that. And this will make it easier when you're writing out your functions. B is the second variable, so it's true in the center 2 rows. C is the first variable, so it's true in the second set of columns, so here and here. And then D is the second variable, so D is true here and here. So in the next video, I'm going to show you a sample problem and how you would solve it here.